Alright, so this video is going to help you on how to, actually, okay, so once you finish inputting those details like your country, the England, the state, which is the England that we are using, and the city, okay, now you go ahead and click on search IP pool. So once that is done, you'll be arrived at this interface where you will get to see this, and then you connect to it, and then you click on copy. Okay, so come now to your super proxy. Now once you are there at your super proxy, you click on add proxy. You leave it to SOX 5, and then you click this, and then you are going to copy this, and then you erase it like this. Okay, 0.8, and then you paste that one that you copied over here. Okay, and then over here you proxy type, you click on it and click on password, and then you come over here, and then here is the password. You click on copy. Okay, click on copy, paste it here, and then here copy this, and then you click over here. Alright, so you make sure you delete this, the second one. Alright, so that is how it is. Now you click on save. Here is the save over here, so you click on save once you're done. Okay, now you can now start running your proxy. So before we run the proxy, let's get to check our IP. Okay, so let me come over here and search for what is my IP. What is my IP address? Let's search this. Okay, we are going to use this site first. So as you can see, we are in Nigeria. Okay, we are using Airtel, which is true. Now let's come over to word.com. Okay, so this is another site that you can use to check your location. As you can see, this is your Nigerian IP. You get this is your Nigerian IP. You can wish to allow, you can wish to allow, you can wish to cancel. Okay, so this is your Nigerian IP. So let me confirm with another site that we can also use to check word.net. We can use word.net. Okay, let's use the net, and then we still search for this. This is another site that we can use to check our IP. As you can see, it's still in Nigeria. Okay, so now let's go and connect our proxy. So now once you click on start, okay, now you started running your proxy. Okay, so right now let's come and refresh the site. You see that your location will automatically change from Nigerian to United Kingdom. Alright, so your IP has changed now to United Kingdom, and then you can see your IP is, and you can see your proxy is no, and your these guys is 100%. Okay, so let's confirm from another site. let's compare from another site that you are trying to connect our proxy this time around. Okay, so this is another site that we also use to check our proxy if it is connected. Okay, I think this delay is as a result of either by my network or something like that. Okay, so I think it might be because of network, but nevertheless, we've connected our proxy. I'm going to leave that site, and then I will come over here and then copy this IP address. This is your IP address. Copy it. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it now and come to Scalematics. This is another site that we use to check IP. Okay, Scalematics. So let's search for the IP right away. Okay. Alright, so once this site opens up, you're actually gonna delete this IP, and then you paste the IP that we copied over there, and then you click on search. Alright, so we are trying to do some analysis to see how good our IP is. Okay, so you allow it to load. Okay, after loading, you can see that our flood score is 0, which this is a very good proxy. Like, very good proxy. You can use this for your for your survey. Now, here is what I was talking about. Here is where you get your country, your state, your city, and then the postal code is not here. Okay, so this is what we are going to do to get the postal code. So stay with me and watch this video till the end, so you can have the postal code through this means. Okay, so I haven't gotten your county, your state, and your country. Your country, your county. There's difference between county and country, and your state. And then let's formulate. Let's try and generate the postal code. Okay, so right now come over to ChatGPT, and then once you are there, you search for give me. Right, so I'm just needed to pause the video and then get to type it. As you can see, give me a postal code associated with this location: county, United Kingdom. Okay, the country, United Kingdom, then the state is England, and then the county is Rotherham, and the city. We get those. Don't forget that we have those information from here. You get, after you might have finished your analysis and your proxy is good, like the minimum flood score should be at least 10 or 5, but here is 0. Understand? That will tell you that this IP is very, very good. Okay, so now here is how you're gonna have your postal code. You ask AI to give you the location. You understand? The postal code of this location, the country, the England, the state, and according to what is being shown over here. So once you've gotten that, you send to AI to generate those information for you. You understand? Now the postal district, as you can see. Alright, so here is what you are gonna be using to generate your postal code. So now you've gotten your postal code. Okay, so now copy your postal code, go over to your notepad. Okay, where you should be putting your notepad, where you should be putting your postal code. Click over that place and then you paste the postal code. Okay, so that postal code now is associated with this location that you've just taken. Okay, I hope I'm being understood. And now another thing is, just come over here, come over to your phone setting, and then click on more connections. Okay, and then click on super proxy. Now click over here and then turn on, and then you also just make sure that these settings are turned on as you are using the super proxy. Alright, so in our next video I will show us how to actually start survey, but this video is strictly on how to do your analysis and then get to generate your postal code and then you use it for your surveys. Thank you.